Hello dears. Welcome to my channel. Story English. In a lush forest, a clever fox and a proud crow crossed paths one day. The crow had found a piece of delicious cheese and perched high on a tree branch, ready to enjoy her meal. The fox, known for his cunning nature, noticed the crow and the tempting piece of cheese. He approached the tree and said, "Oh, magnificent crow! Your beauty and grace are unmatched. I would love to hear your melodious voice." The crow, flattered by the fox's words, couldn't resist showing off her singing talent. As she opened her beak to sing, the cheese fell from her mouth and landed on the ground. The fox, quick to seize the opportunity, snatched the cheese and devoured it. With a sly smile, he said, "Thank you for the lovely song, dear crow. Your voice is as sweet as the cheese." The crow realized her foolishness and felt regretful. She learned a valuable lesson about vanity and trusting flattery from others. The moral of the story is that one should not be easily swayed by empty praises or allow vanity to cloud judgment. It reminds us to be cautious and think critically before making decisions. From that day forward, the crow became wiser and more discerning, never again falling for the tricks of the cunning fox. I hope you found my story interesting. Please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more stories.